More and more sellers are getting dragged into court by big brands like Nike and Volkswagen and smaller brands like Brain Flakes and tons of others. And I want you to know what happens after you file your formal response to the lawsuit, which you are required to do in order to avoid a default judgment, which is the subject of a different video, and defaults are really bad. So here are the top 3 things that are going to happen once you file your formal response to that lawsuit, and it's called an answer. Number 1, you are going to trigger the automatic disclosures, which means the brands that sued you, whoever filed that lawsuit, they have to give information to you. Number 2, you're going to get a notice to confer with the opposing lawyer to set up a schedule for the entire case. And remember, whoever sued you, they have the burden of proof, not you. Number 3, there's going to be a conference scheduled with the court. These days, it is all by telephone. And during that conference, there are going to be firm dates where that firm who sued you, they're going to have to stick to that schedule. If you want to learn more about what happens when you are sued, or you need to use the court system to fix a wrong or strike back at someone who's harming your business, contact us for a free consultation. I am happy to be back in the courtroom, happy to help sellers defend themselves. I'm also happy to help you fight for your rights if it's absolutely necessary.